use land is transferred, property over accessories and furniture on them is transferred with it. When it's transferred separately, the right to use the land will require permission from the Land Administration Department from cities and counties. And mind you, this is very important, if the price whereby the right to use will be transferred is unreasonably below the market price, then the government of cities and counties will have preemptive rights. If the market price at which the right to use will be transferred is unreasonably high, city and county governments may take the necessary measures without mentioning which they are. Frankly, I don't know which ones have been taken, but no reference is made to what measures may be taken. Upon expiration of the right to use, the state shall receive the right to use and enjoy and own the buildings and accessories on the land without compensation whatsoever. If revoked beforehand, there will be compensation. Also, rights to use may be granted by mere awarding with no consideration. That is, the right to use is granted, but the right to use may not be transferred or leased or mortgaged. In the year 2007, a new law was enacted called the Lien Right of the People's Republic of China. It was enacted by the 10th Congress of the Peoples of China on March 16, 2007. When this law was enacted, all the Western monopolistic capitalist paraphernalia led by speculative elements on land, especially major corporations, announced that in China land was finally privatized by this law on real property. Friends called me saying that the land was being privatized. This was wishful thinking, but not reality or truth. In China, of course, nothing was farther than land privatization. The media oftentimes were lying, and in other cases, simply they had not read the wording of the law. Indeed, Article 1 of this new law on real property indicates that this law is formulated pursuant to the Constitution to safeguard the basic economic system of the nation, safeguarding the socialist order of the market economy, providing clear guidelines as to the allocation of property to things, and promoting the use of things, as well as protecting the real rights of those who hold these rights. And it talks about the sanctity of these property rights, and it says property rights by the state, group organizations, and private individuals, as well as the rights held by other right holders, are protected by law, and no institution or individual may infringe them. Then he goes on to speak about the registration of these rights. It analyzes what is required to register the right to use, and so on and so forth. What I would like to undernote is that to the fear of multinationals and surprise of Cosa Nostra economists, ownership over land is not included amongst real property rights. Simply, it does not exist. Article 41 in turn provides that no institution or individual may own property rights over a real or personal property, the ownership of which corresponds exclusively to the state as established in the pertinent law. Article 47 clearly prescribes again that urban land belongs to the state. Rural and suburban land subject to state ownership belongs to the state. Also, the state owns minerals, waterways, and the territorial waters. Ownership over natural resources will be given to the state, except when ownership over each or any of them is attributed to a group organization under the pertinent legislation. Let's always recall the two sources of property law, that is, group organizations and the state. What are these group organizations? And I said they are population groups in certain districts. These group organizations, when owning property, have to inform
tiene que informar a todo el equipo de exploradores y publicar el estatus de la propiedad colectiva para los miembros del
Real property law provides the right to inheritance.
protege el
Private
derecho de
property is
herencia,
protected, which
se
does not
protege la
include the
propiedad
land.
privada que no
There's
incluye
full
la
legislation
tierra,
about
se
co-ownership,
legisla con
use of
todo detalle la
property.
copropiedad,
And
se
chapter
legisla el
12
usufructo.
is very important
Y
because
el
it
capítulo
relates
12, muy
to
importante, se refiere a derechos de
rights
construcción del
related to
uso
the
de la
use of
tierra.
land. These rights,
Estos
these
derechos
construction
de
rights may be
construcción
established
en la
by all
tierra se
legal
pueden
rights,
crear
so
por
this
todos los
auction among
medios
others.
legales,
But in the
otorgamiento,
case of land
subasta,
to be
etc.
allocated to
Pero en el
trade,
caso de tierra para la
travel,
industria, el comercio, el
tourism,
turismo, fiestas o depósitos de
housing, or
mercancías
whenever
o
two or more
viviendas,
parties have the
o en el
intent of
caso de que
using the
dos o
land,
más
then this
partes
will be
tengan la
done
intención de
through
usar la tierra,
price
se hará a
competition
través de
mechanisms
mecanismos de
such
competencia en los
as
precios, tales como
auctions,
concursos de
competitive
ofertas,
bidding,
subastas,
etc.
etc.
The
La creación de
allocation
derechos de
of construction
construcción por
rights
simple
by
asignación
allocation itself
estará
will be
estrictamente
forbidden.
restringida. El que
This
obtenga
right
este
may not
derecho, es decir, el
change
derecho de
the
construcción,
object
no
of the
puede
land without
cambiar
the
el
permit
objeto
of the
sin
pertinent
autorización de la
administrative
autoridad
authority, and
administrativa
the construction of
correspondiente.
buildings and
Y las
others
construcciones de
is presumed
edificios y
to have been
accesorios
made
se
by the
presume
holder of the
hecha por el
construction
titular del
rights,
derecho de
unless it may be
construcción, salvo
proven
prueba
otherwise.
contraria.
Upon expiration of the term of this
A
construction
la
right over the
expiración
land
del término
associated to
del
a
derecho de
housing unit,
construcción sobre la
the
tierra
term
asociada a
shall be
unidades de
renewed
vivienda,
automatically.
el término será renovado
That is,
automáticamente.
whenever the
Es
use of
decir,
land has been
cuando
granted for
el uso de la
housing,
tierra sea
upon
concedido para
expiration of
unidad de
that
vivienda,
term,
a
say
su
for
término,
50 years
digamos,
or
se
whatever,
concedió por
it may be
50, 40
automatically
años, se
renewed. Of
renueva
course,
automáticamente.
it is
Por
necessary to
supuesto, hay que
pay
volver
again
a
for that
pagar.
right to use.
Hay que volver a pagar por ese derecho de uso.
If expiration is
Pero
that
si
of the
la
construction right
expiración fuera
associated
la
to
de un
units
derecho
that
de
are not for
construcción
housing
asociado a
purposes,
unidades que
the
no son
term may
para
be renewed
vivienda, el
according
término
to the
podrá
law. That is, it
renovarse
will
de
not
acuerdo con
be
la ley, o
automatic
sea, ya
any
no será
longer.
automático. Bueno, la ley
There are many other
tiene
details there. It
muchos otros
discusses
detalles, trata con
mortgages
amplitud de
in
las
great
hipotecas.
detail and in great length. And more outstandingly, mortgages under Chinese law
notable es que la
apply
hipoteca en
not
el
only
derecho chino
to
no es
real
solo sobre
property, but
inmuebles,
also to rights. So, for example,
sino
construction
también sobre
rights or building
derechos, por
rights,
ejemplo, derechos de
operation
construcción,
rights. They
derechos
also call
operativos,
mortgages
también se llama
the liens
hipoteca a
on
los
personal
gravar
property,
bienes
raw materials,
muebles,
finished
materias primas,
products,
trabajos en
products in
desarrollo,
process,
productos
etc.
terminados, etc.
Property rights over land,
Los derechos de propiedad sobre la
which
tierra, que como
we should
hemos
recall
recordado
belong to the state
pertenecen
or
al
more
Estado
group
o a las
organizations, may not
organizaciones
be
colectivas,
hypothecated.
no pueden ser
This also applies
hipotecados.
to buildings to be used
Tampoco
for
pueden ser
education, healthcare,
hipotecados
or
edificios
health
para la educación,
purposes.
atención médica o de salud.
As to the Chinese taxation
Respecto al sistema
system,
impositivo chino,
and here we
y
would
aquí
like to
vamos
touch
a
upon some interesting
tocar
issues.
algunos temas muy
We
importantes.
said that
Hemos dicho que los
Chinese counties, that is,
condados
local
chinos, los
districts,
distritos locales,
have
tienen las 4
4/5
quintas partes de
of
los gastos,
expenses. But they only receive
pero solo reciben
approximately
aproximadamente
50% of revenues
un 50% de los
through
ingresos
local taxes,
a
tax
través de impuestos
revenue
locales, de
sharing,
coparticipación
schemes
de
with the central government,
impuestos
etc.
con el Estado central,
So
etc.
where does the
¿De
rest
dónde
of
viene el
revenues
resto?
come from?
¿Cómo
How
financian
do local governments fund
los gobiernos locales
the other
el
things they
resto de
need
lo que necesitan
to cater for
para
under
sus
their budgets?
presupuestos? Porque
Because
cada
each country,
distrito,
I should
cada
clarify,
condado hace
develops
su
its own
presupuesto.
budget. This is funded
Lo
through
financian
leasing, by leasing land.
con el leasing, con el arrendamiento de tierras.
And it is
Y
here
aquí
where
es
there
donde se
is a
producen
significant degree
grandes
of
abusos
abuse
en
in China.
¿Por
Why?
qué?
Because though it is true that there is no
Porque si bien
private
es cierto
property
que no
over
hay
land, there
propiedad
are
privada de la
rights
tierra,
of use
sí hay
which are
derechos
worth a
de
lot of
uso
money
que
in
valen
order
mucho
to
dinero,
use the land
porque
for
para
construction
construir o
or
para
for
industria,
trade
por
or
eso vale mucho
industry. I
dinero.
mean, those rights are worth a lot
Entonces
of
los
money.
gobiernos locales
Local governments, therefore,
muchas veces se
own
apropian
through
métodos
non-acceptable,
no muy
violent
aceptables,
means.
con
They
violencia y con fuerza,
become
se
owners of the
apropian
land
de la
being
tierra
used by
que tienen en
peasants,
uso
by people living
los
there,
campesinos, los
to
habitantes del
give
lugar, para
this land
darlas
under
en
leasing
leasing
to large multinationals,
grandes
thus
empresas
raising
multinacionales, con lo cual obtienen
funds.
recursos para financiarse.
approximately 50% of the revenues of local governments come from land leasing. If we were to estimate that 4/5 of Chinese state expenditure is incurred by local governments, and if we say that 50% of that comes from land leasing, we will then realize how important these activities and these definitions are in China. There is, however, a complex taxation system in China that includes different types of taxes: taxes on consumption, taxes on value-added, corporate tax, which is 33%, but for some exceptions, in the case of less profitable companies where the tax rate is 18 to 27%, taxes on companies that include foreign investment, taxes on individuals which may amount to 45% in excess of 100,000 yuan, the tax on economic activities which amounts to 35%, the tax on resources, especially natural resources, which in the case of oil is estimated per liter 8 to 13 yuan per liter, 2 to 15 liters, 2 to 15 yuan, sorry, in the case of each cubic meter of natural gas and so on. There are also a number of taxes on land, which I will discuss in greater detail in a few minutes. Tax revenues back in 2001 accounted for 15.8% of the Chinese GDP, compared to 41.6% in Europe. Why is that? That's because of tax evasion. There is a significant tax evasion and elusion in China. Lots of taxes are levied on the land. Dave, who is very knowledgeable about China, was telling me that they are very low tax rates. There is a tax, for example, on the land of suburban land, which is charged on the basis of the square meter, which is low. There is also a tax on urban constructions and maintenance, which is estimated on the amount paid by way of VAT and consumption tax, being 7% in towns, 5% in smaller towns, and 1% in other areas. There is a tax on the occupation of agricultural land. There's yet another tax on the regulation of investments in fixed assets. There's a very important tax about which little data exists, which is the tax on the appreciation of land, which applies to the transfer of real property, that is, to the balance of revenues after deducting the sum of deductible items, and which may account to 60%. This is a tax which had a significant impact, but I haven't been able to gather any data on tax collection. There are yet other taxes on property ownership, tax on urban real estate, which is charged to foreigners only. There is a tax on title deeds. There's agricultural taxes, custom duties, you name it. In concluding, let me say that according to figures given by the Land and Resources Ministry in Beijing, that is the federal ministry, local governments
los gobiernos locales cerraron en 2010 contratos de arrendamientos de tierras de leasing por 2,7 trillones de yuanes,
$408.5 billion US. That is a 70.4 increase over the figure for the year 2009. These figures were for 2010. In 120 cities selected by the China Index Research, land leasing fees in the year 2010 were 1,888 trillion yuan, that is 284.6 billion US dollars. Amounts raised in Beijing, Shanghai, and Milan exceeded in each 100 billion yuan, 15.1 billion US dollars. The exchange rate between the yuan and the US dollar is $0.1583 per yuan. The price per square meter of the average leasing of the 120 big cities was $123 per square meter. And this constituted a significant increase in revenues in our cities. All revenues, should be noted, are managed by local governments. More and more,
cada vez más se utilizan para los leasing, para los arrendamientos, las subastas públicas. Sin embargo, todavía en los últimos años hay un gran porcentaje que se hace en base a contratos privados. Pero lo notable de todo esto es que a pesar del sistema de arrendamiento de tierras y a pesar de la multitud de impuestos sobre la tierra, la renta del suelo se escapa, y en China hay especulación.
Speculation that we may find in countries where there is a Roman property type, like in Spain, or perhaps in Argentina, or in Russia after the collapse of communism. But there is speculation in land in China. The fundamental reason being that this set of taxes account for just a minimum portion of the rent on land. I want to conclude my presentation.